I picked a random creator's profile, and in the next 10 minutes, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can go from barely getting any views to actually growing fast. This is exactly the same breakdown I'll give a paying client, so don't take this by granted. And by the end of the video, you know exactly what's holding your own growth back and how to fix it. If you're new here, I'm Gio, and I help creators grow using real strategies that still work in 2025. Every week, I pick a random page and build it from start to finish and help them grow. Let's get into it. So this is the random creator that we picked for today. So let's start with profile. Instead of just guessing and how to do this, I built an AI prompt that helps us determine what is wrong and what is good in this profile. Now all you have to do is take a screenshot. So let me do that real quick. Take the screenshot. So this is the AI prompt that I currently made that helps us determine everything. The styles, what's wrong, its goals. So all you have to do is copy and paste this. And if you want me to send you this, just comment AI in the comments and I'll send it to you for completely free. Then you open ChatGPT and place it here. And you put the screenshot that you upload the screenshot that you took. So recent right here. So you upload it. So we just wait because it didn't take that long this time. Enter. We just wait. Alright, it says perfect, thank you. So this is what it's give us. 3. Optimize bio options. Professional and credible. Helping coaches turn email lists into revenue machines. Conversion email engine, proven 6-figure systems. DM growth to start scaling your list. Strategic and authority driven. Email growth architect for coaches. Transforming dead lists into consistent cash flows. This one doesn't sound that good because you want something that attracts the clients and tell them what you do, which is how you build a connection and how you show what your service is doing. That don't copy and paste all of these because they're not good. You gotta implement each one into each one. So like use all 3 to make one that works amazing. So here are the story highlights that he needs to have. The start, short intro, what you do. So like introducing yourself and your business. Build instant connection with new visitors. Exactly what I was saying. Build connections with your audience. That's how you sell and that's how you scale. Wins, client results, DMs, and screenshot. The proof builds trust fast. Emails like his tips, framework, quick breakdowns, like giving free value. Shows expertise clearly and showing that he has the power and the knowledge to make emails for these coaching businesses. Coaches, his testimonials or case studies, the proof that his method works. Behind the scenes, like his behind the life. Value, best advice, just mini lessons of life. Offers is optional. Explain your core offer service. Converts interested leads. This is good, but I'd rather do this one in a real picture. You can see his face and it clearly shows that he's real. And he has a good personality, as you can see. That's his helping coaches turn email lists into cash machines with conversion email engine. That shows exactly what he does, which is good. Strategies behind 6-figure launches. Shows that he knows what he's doing and he built 6-figure launches with other businesses, coaching business. And a call to action. DM email to monetize. Feed. His feed, it does not look pretty branding. It just looked like a pretty whole lot of nothing. This just completely, just no cover, no nothing, which is where he's messing up on. So using all of these optionals for bio, we decided to create this one. A Gabe, oops, let me fix that. Gabe email copywriter, helping coaches turn emails into clients. Build 6-figure results with custom email systems. DM email to monetize. Because this shows who he is. This shows his profession and what his business is about. This is his service. He helps coaches turn emails into clients. This is proof. Built 6-figure results. And it's the thing that sticks out from the other competition is his custom email systems. And it's called to action, DM email to monetize. So Gabe, if you're watching this video, I suggest you 100% to use this bio and guarantee you to get more sales. Also, he needs to add stories like what we discussed about. He needs to add these stories to make money, more money, more money. This guarantee you 100% that this, if you do this for your business, you will get more money. More money. More money, mate. Now content. This is where most creators lose viewers before they even start. Let's look at this post. Wait,
This email
I gotta turn the volume on.
comments, likes, and love this email replies feel good, but they don't pay the bills.
Don't pay the bills. Brother, the first 3 seconds start with comment, likes, and love email replies. That's not a hug, that's a freaking list. The most important part of the video are the first 3 seconds. And if the first 3 seconds are not engaging enough, then people will just scroll and the video will flop. Because you can have the best video in the world, but if the first 3 seconds do not bring in curiosity, tension, or surprise, then you might as well say your goodbyes. Try this instead. Most coaches are sending emails wrong and it's killing their growth. Here's why. It starts off by calling out to specific audience, making every coach stop scrolling because they feel targeted. When it says most coaches, you're calling out to specific audience and going for a specific target of people, so they should watch your videos. It creates emotional tension by saying sending emails wrong, and it makes people keep watching, defend themselves, or learn the truth on their mistakes. It also promises transformation by saying and it's killing their growth. So it's saying that the video that they're gonna watch is gonna make them grow when they finish the video, because they're gonna implement that tricks and tips that they learned from the video to make their business grow, their coaching businesses, get more clients. Now the pain point is clear. You tie the mistake directly to the outcome they care about the most: growth, results, and money. Which you're not just saying they're doing it wrong, you're saying why it matters. So you're saying why the video and the hook matters to their time. So you're saying it's an investment, because a hook can have value or entertaining. And this client is doing value, giving email marketing strategies to help coaching clients. So he's giving value to coaching clients so they know what they're doing wrong and how to grow their businesses. It also creates open curiosity when it ends with here's why. This signals the viewer that they're about to learn the truth, which sends a stimulant to the brain to find out what they're doing wrong so they stay and watch the whole thing. A lot of popular creators do this tactic, and it's always proven to work millions of times. Let's now talk about covers. The covers show what the video is going to be about. You want a bold text, high contrast, and emotion on your face if possible. Your thumbnail is the billboard that decides if anyone enters your world and uses their time to watch you. Don't waste it. When people scroll the Instagram feed or the Explore feed, they're exploring videos. Hundreds and millions of videos that refresh and come every second. Millions. For example, look at this one. Video scripting is your biggest nightmare. It shows what the video is about and it shows how serious he is with the clean background and good lighting. Now let's see our creator's background. Alright, brother. You can't be serious, brother. A yellow background? This background will not attract anyone or anything. It's just a yellow background with no context, man. No context. A blank cover like this will just make people ignore you. I don't think Instagram will even push this type of content because it's not what they're looking for. They're not even gonna give the video a chance. What I want you to do is make it clear. For example, look at the competition around your explore page and compare yours to others. Look at this one. It shows median salary by age. How does his salary compare? And it shows him with a book and with a clean background and with the text, visual text. Another one, 7 worst degrees by unemployment rate. Shows his logo, the clean gray background, his hand movements, saying 7, and the text, which shows what the video is gonna be about, and is most likely to beat the other videos. But going with our client, he has nothing on his. He has absolute nothing. So that's where you want to fix yours. Look at other people's Explorer covers and use those as inspiration and use it Use your text, use the contrast, and have a nice background. Alright, the fix. So the summary of everything discussed. The bio. Gabe, email copywriter, helping coaches turn emails into clients, built 6-figure results with custom email systems, DM email to monetize. The profile picture, it's okay. It's good enough. The content choices, his choice is gives value. Schedule, he needs to schedule 3 to 5 videos per week. Relatable stories every day. Every day, every day. Engage with other creators in your niche and with people who comment your videos. His thumbnail needs a lot of fixing. It needs to be bold, clean contrast, and shows what the video is going to be about. His hook, comment, likes, and love email replies. Optimize hook. Most coaches are sending emails wrong and it's killing the growth. Here's why. So let's test it out in real time. Comment, likes, and love as email replies, which doesn't even make sense. Alright, now optimize hook. Most coaches are sending emails wrong and it's killing the growth. Here's why. See the difference? One gives a summary, one gives value. Lastly, the stories of what he needs to do. Start, introduce himself, wins, emails, tips, coaches, testimonials, behind the scenes, what he does, office work, lifestyle clips, and value, best advice, clips, and mini lessons. One of my clients used this exact system, and 3 months later, engagement was up 10x. Same idea, same effort, just better executions in his content. The proof is simple. Growth doesn't come from doing more. It comes from doing the right things repeatedly, over and over and over again. Keep improving and keep going. That's today's social media fix. If you want your page audited next, drop your ad in the comments. I pick one creator every week. Subscribe if you're ready to grow, because your next video might be one tweak away. I also offer one-on-one mentorship where I help creators grow in their business and building a real audience. I spent 8 hours researching your niche, studying the best performing creators, trends, and content styles. From there, we create custom scripts based on what's already proven to work. And all you have to do is record. My team handles the editing and delivers the final video, ready to post. Simple, no fluff, just results. And I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I'm out. See you in the next one. Peace.